What's up, guys? Today we're going real deep into the sorrel. We're gonna do some sorrel for Christmas, guys. So, first, set on my water on the fire and I'm gonna blend up some ginger. So, blend out the ginger and then put it in the pot and boil. That's what's up. Blend the ginger, strain it off. No, we're not strain it off. I'm gonna just put it in the pot just like that. When we're ready to strain the sorrel, then strain the ginger. The ginger will automatically strain. Here is my pot of water. So now I'll go throw the ginger in there, cover it up, and just make it boil. Oh, we need to drop some pimento seed in there too. So this is how Mama used to dry sorrel. So grandma, let me get this from she. And this sorrel here already wash. So I now wash it again because I just have to take out the color. I wash it at Jamaica, put it in a bag, freeze it, and carry it up here. So can have this sorrel. If somebody I go down, they ask my auntie and my sister to do the same thing, clean it up, wash it, put it in a Ziploc bag or 2 pound, 5 pound bag, whichever, and freeze it and send it up for me. So if me go down, that me do, me not come up left sorrel. And the same thing when anybody go down for me, me ask them for do the same thing. So see ginger bubble up now. So the ginger boiling, the sorrel ready to go in. So now I'm going to put the sorrel in. You see, because it still have some ice in there, I'm not gonna turn it off. I'm just gonna make it boil up. And then, cause sorrel, Mama never normally boil sorrel. She normally draw sorrel. So once you put it in the pot, she will turn it off. As long as she see say it's still a boil. But because this have a little ice in there, you know, it kind of cool down the water a little. I should have take it out from yesterday, so it would have get the towel properly, but I never did that. So what I'm gonna do, it just make the water boil up. So I stir it up a little, so all of the sorrel get water on it, and then I just cover it up, make it boil up a little bit, and turn it off. And then me gonna leave that right there for overnight before me strain it off. That's how Mama used to make it. To dry the sorrel in the evening, and tomorrow morning she strain it off. Just throw some pimento seed in there. Okay, so there we go.
So them want it for them?
I got to turn it off now. So I got just cover it up. Just want to make sure say all of the sorrel get water before it cover it up.
No, me put something in them. I put my egg them in there and put little ice in there because the
Strength not look so bad still, but look like it could have look stronger.
Yes.
But a foreigner there we know that Jamaican, as long as we get some sorrel juice, we're good. Look pretty, right? Come on in the kitchen. So there it is, guys. That's it. That's my bottle of sorrel. I didn't show you when I was straining it off, but That's it. That's what I get. Bless upon yourself, and I hope you have some sorrel juice to the Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next one.
And some white rum.
Bye. I mix it with wine. Ajé mo pé